All right, just purchased myself a new AirTag. The reason is because I'm going to set this up on one of my wallets, and I actually have a wallet that requires an AirTag, if you guys can see that. So if I lose my wallet or misplace it, I can always find it. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how it works. So, all right, so we're going to remove the tag so it can start up, and it comes with instructions in here how to set it up. So we're going to go ahead and make sure you have the Bluetooth enabled and also the Find Me features enabled. So we're going to go ahead and do that first. And we're going to go ahead and remove it. And it automatically made a little beeping noise. So we're going to go ahead and bring our iPad. All right, so we got our installed. Now here's an installation we need to. All right, so we just took out the actual slip that covers the battery and it automatically connected to it. So we're going to go ahead and set it up. And if you guys can see it, what do you kind of device do you want to set up? So we're going to put in wallet right now. All right, so we're going to call it wallet and it's setting up. Once it sets up, it's permanent, and this will last you for a couple years. So now when we're looking for it, we can always go into our settings to look for it. So now we have the AirTag set up, and if you want to play sounds or music or vibrate, if you need to find it, you can do that, or you can actually ask for directions to the actual system. So it's active, it's ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.